So hello guys, I came yesterday to Ekpe at Lagos State. I brought some few local chickens to one of my subscriber here. Alright, so I can see the and you guys can see the way this chicken were working. Okay, so this particular farm, he's doing a goat farm here, although he just started, but he also want to keep some local chicken with them. So I brought them yesterday night here. Okay, so you guys can see it. In case if you need a local chicken, you can let me know. Both the Fulani chicken and our normal local chicken, I can help you to get. Then you can see the way they are. So they are very much here, and also there are some few guinea fowl among them. Okay, so this is it about the farm. All right, so there are still many. Anyways, there are many more than this, but few of them hasn't come out yet. That is why. So as for people that need local chicken, just let me know. I'll make it available for you. All right, if you need a local chicken, you can let me know. I'll make it available for you. Hmm. So you guys can see how plenty those chicken are. Like I said, they are not yet out. That was the reason why.
So akọni.
I think we'll give it that. This one they do it.